हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू वर्षा कोचिंग क्लासेस। आज से हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं जीके रिफ्रेशर। इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे जीके के क्वेश्चंस। व्हाट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया? ए सिडनी, बी मेलबर्न, सी कैनबेरा, डी ब्रिस्बेन। Correct answer is option C, Canberra. Second question. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus, B. Saturn, C. Mars, D. Mercury. Correct answer is C, Mars. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? A. Charles Dickens, B. William Shakespeare, C. Jane Austen, D. Mark Twain. Correct option is B. William Shakespeare. Which country invented paper? Option A. India, option B. Greece, option C. China, option D. Egypt. C. China. What does www stand for in a website browser? Option A. Web word website, B. World Wide Web, C. Wide Web World, D. Web with World. Correct answer is B. World Wide Web. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Option A. Earth, option B. Mars, option C. Pluto, option D. Mercury. Correct answer is B. Mars. Which is the longest river in the world? Option A. Amazon, option B. Nile, option C. Ganga, option D. Mississippi. Correct option is B. Nile. Which part of the planet conducts photosynthesis? A. Stem, B. Flower, C. Leaf, D. Root. Correct option is C. Leaf. Which is the largest ocean on earth? A. Indian Ocean, B. Atlantic Ocean, C. Arctic Ocean, D. Pacific Ocean. Correct option is D. Pacific Ocean. Which planet is closest to the sun? Option A. Mercury, option B. Venus, option C. Earth, option D. Mars. Correct answer is A. Mercury. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A. Picasso, B. Van Gogh, C. Da Vinci, D. Michelangelo. C. Da Vinci. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located in? A. Asia, B. Africa, C. South America, D. Australia. Correct option is B. Africa. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. South Korea, B. China, C. Japan, D. Thailand. Correct answer is C. Japan. What does CPU stand for in computer? Central Processing Unit, option B. Computer Power Unit, option C. Central Program Unit, Option D, core processing unit. Correct answer is A, central processing unit. Which planet is known as the Earth's twin? Mars, B, Venus, C, Jupiter, D, Saturn. Correct answer is B, Venus. Which planet has the most moons? A, Jupiter, B, Saturn, C, Uranus, D, Neptune. Correct answer is A, Jupiter. What is the name of the longest bone in the human body? A, tibia, B, femur, C, radius, D, humerus. Correct answer is B, femur. What is the name of our galaxy? Option A, Andromeda, B, Milky Way, C, Orion, D, solar belt. Correct answer is B, Milky Way. In which sport is the term love used? Option A, cricket, option B, football, option C, tennis, option D, baseball. Correct option is C, tennis. Which country gave the Statue of Liberty to the USA? Option A, Germany, option B, UK, option C, Canada, option D, France. Correct answer is D, France. Today in history, 14th April. First, Ambedkar Jayanti. In the memory of Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, birth in 1891. Second, Vaisakhi festival, celebrated in Punjab and northern India, marking the Sikh New Year and the formation of the Khalsa in 1699 by Guru Gobind Singh. Vishu festival, observed in Kerala and parts of Karnataka, signifying the Malayalam New Year and the onset of spring. Assassination of Abraham Lincoln. In 1865, US President Abraham Lincoln was shot at Ford's Theatre. RMS Titanic disaster. In 1912, the Titanic struck in iceberg in the North Atlantic and began sinking, leading to the loss of over 1,500 lives. World Quantum Day, celebrated annually since 2022 to promote awareness of quantum science and its technological implication. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.